Good morning, guys. I am on a hike today and it's about 7:35, so I'm going to tell you when I reach like midpoint and whatever. You'll see some footage and whatnot, so see you. Okay, so we're a few minutes in the hike and the first update is majority of the group behind already. So it's like 5 of us in front of the group. Okay, so this is the rest of the group and you can say we officially start the hike since we not past the gate. Hey guys, so it's like 8:59 now and I don't know if we're halfway there yet, but I do know that we had to change trail because the first trail was too dangerous for us to go through. So we're taking the second route and hopefully we will reach there soon because it's supposed to be a 2-hour hike and we don't want to leave anybody behind, so it might be a little over 2 hours.